In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock a page in Canva. If you've run into a page that won't let you move or edit anything, it's probably locked. Locking is great for protecting a layout, but when it's time to make changes, unlocking takes just a moment. Let's walk through it clearly so you can get back to designing without frustration. First, open your project in Canva. Once your project is on screen, look toward the bottom of the workspace. You'll see your page thumbnails lined up in a row. These mini previews represent each page in your design. The page that's locked will show a small lock icon on its thumbnail, which is your visual confirmation that the page is currently protected from edits. Next, hover your mouse over the thumbnail of the page you want to unlock. Hover simply means place your cursor over the thumbnail without clicking. When you hover, it helps reveal the options available for that page, and it makes sure you're targeting the right one. Now, right-click directly on that page thumbnail. If you're using a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same way as a right-click. This will open a small context menu with actions you can take for that specific page. In that menu, look for the option labeled Unlock Page. Go ahead and click Unlock Page. That's the whole action needed. The lock icon on the thumbnail should disappear, indicating that the page is now unlocked and ready for editing. You can return to the page and move elements, adjust text, or change images as needed. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. If you don't see an option to unlock, double-check that you right-click the thumbnail itself and not somewhere else on the canvas. Also verify that you selected the correct page. The lock icon on the thumbnail is the easiest way to identify it. If there's no lock icon, that page is already unlocked. After you finish editing, consider whether you want to lock the page again to prevent accidental changes in the future. That's all there is to it. Open your project, hover over the page thumbnail with the lock icon, right-click, choose Unlock Page, and you're done. With the page unlocked, you can confidently make your updates and keep your design moving forward.